Hey everyone, and welcome to this Cloudup cloud storage review. Check the description for links. Cloudup offers simple, effective cloud storage focused on easy sharing and collaboration. Perfect for individuals, teams, or businesses needing a straightforward way to store and share large files, Cloudup features an intuitive drag-and-drop interface for quick uploads. Its strength is seamless sharing, send files or entire folders with a single link. Cloudup integrates with your existing workflow, syncing automatically across Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Team collaboration is simplified with features like real-time commenting directly on shared files. A free plan with 200 MB is available for light users or those wanting a trial. Paid plans start at 100 GB, offering increased file size limits and priority support. Larger storage needs are covered with higher-tier plans. While Cloudup lacks advanced features like version history and granular permissions, security is solid with SSL encryption during transfer. However, end-to-end encryption isn't offered. Overall, Cloudup is a simple, effective solution for individuals and small teams prioritizing ease of use and fast sharing. If you need fuss-free storage and collaboration without advanced features, Cloudup is worth checking out. Learn more in the description below.